Page 155, Boola Boola. Okay, same thing we've been doing. First, I'm going to get the melody log. This 2/4 time. We have a pick. We're coming in on beat 2. Now watch the fingering. We're in the key of B flat major. B flat major has 2 flats, a B flat and an E flat. Okay, so those are the notes, and that's here. That's 2E and 2E and 1. Don't play a triplet. That's a triplet. Ba 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 ba. No, crisp. Bum ba dum. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. And they want here again. Here. In that case, I suggest little finger on the B flat because it makes it easier to reach that. Again, I want to connect it all. So measure 6 would be there. B, little finger. That way you can reach it. Make sure I can get the melody okay. Then I figure out the chords. The 1 and the 5/7 chord, or the tonic and the dominant 7 chord in B flat major. Well, B flat major, the 1 chord would be here. Every other note, B flat's the bottom note. Those are the notes in the key, and it's every other note. So I don't need that one, I don't need that one. And then the 5/7 chord, I'm coming down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the 5 chord. At the 7th, there's an E flat. An E flat and B flat major. E flat and B flat. Oh. So the 5/7 is here, and again, we're putting this on top, and we're not using that. Or I can go from here, I go down a half step, and I'm using the top 2 fingers in the position. So those are the chords. Then I got to figure out which chord to play when. Well, I don't know. But you're not playing a chord on the pickup beat. Start with tonic. Start with the 1 chord. If it sounds okay, go with it. If it doesn't sound quite right, try the other one and see if it sounds any better. So here. That doesn't sound right. That doesn't, even though the F is there, it doesn't sound right. I think it's this. That sounds better. No, that doesn't sound right. Now back here. No, it's still here. Nope. So you're just experimenting with what sounds better. Now when I used to do this, I would get to the point where I couldn't hear it anymore. I couldn't tell if it sounded good or not. And that's when I would just get out of the room and go take a break and whatever, get away for a bit. Then come back and try it again and see if it doesn't sound a little better. So we're doing it here, 1 here, it's here. And here. That's sort of what I think it is. Okay. They want you to transpose this to C major. So again, we're going up a step to C major. We know the chords, I hope, here. So you're going to figure out the melody in C major. And what we're doing here is because B flat and C, they're a second apart, I just take all the notes in the melody and take them up 1 note in the staff. So a D becomes an E. An E becomes an F becomes a G. I'm just, in my head, I'm taking it up, so it's E. And I get that, I'm just reading the notes, and I'm just, in my head, I'm taking it up 1 note in the staff. Then I just play the chords along with it, whatever the chord is. Here. transpose it to whatever key. If you go farther away, it's harder to transpose it in the music. Then you have to think about which finger you're on and which position you're in, because you're not really in a 5-finger position. You're stretching out. So you have to work all that out too. It takes a little longer. Let me know if you have questions.